Class 6 Maths Chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion. Animated Math. Introduction. In our daily life, we often compare things, sometimes by finding the difference and sometimes by division. The comparison by division is the ratio. Let us learn more about ratios. Ratio. Let us take some examples to understand ratio first. Ishan's weight is 25 kg and his father's weight is 75 kg. How many times father's weight is Ishan's weight? The answer is 75 kg divided by 25 kg is equal to 3 times. Example 2. Cost of a pen is rupees 10 and that of a pencil is rupees 1. How many times the cost of pen is the cost of pencil? The answer is 10 times. In these two examples, we compared two quantities in terms of how many times. This comparison is known as ratio. It is denoted by the symbol shown here. Now, remember one thing. Two quantities can be compared if they have the same units. A ratio does not have any units. We can have the same ratio in different situations. Let us take a few examples to understand these facts. Examples. Example 1. In a class, there are 20 girls and 25 boys. Find the ratio of number of girls to that of number of boys. The ratio of number of girls to number of boys is 20 by 25, which is 4 by 5 or 4:5. Example 2. Sanju takes 15 minutes to reach the school. Daniel takes 1 hour to reach the school. Find the ratio of the time taken by Sanju to that of Daniel. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The ratio of time taken by Sanju to that of time taken by Daniel is 15 minutes by 60 minutes, that is 15 by 60, or 1 by 4, which is 1:4. The length of a room is 40 meters and the breadth is 20 meters. Find the ratio of length to breadth. Solution. The ratio of length to breadth is 40 meter by 20 meter, that is 40 by 20, is equal to 4:2 is equal to 2:1. Example 4. There are 24 mangoes and 12 oranges in a basket. Find the ratio of number of mangoes to that of number of oranges. The ratio of number of mangoes to that of number of oranges is 24 by 12 is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 2:1. Here we got same ratio in different situations. Equivalent ratio. The concept of equivalent ratio is same as equivalent fraction. Let us take a few examples to understand this. Find two equivalent ratios of 6:4. Solution. Ratio 6:4 is equal to 6 by 4 equal to 6 into 2 by 4 into 2 is equal to 12 by 8. Therefore, 12:8 is an equivalent ratio of 6:4. 6:4 is equal to 6 by 4 equal to 6 divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So 3:2 is another equivalent ratio of 6:4. We can get equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing the numerator or denominator by the same number. Proportion. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use the symbol shown here to equate the two ratios. In a statement of proportion, the four quantities are known respectively. First and fourth terms are known as extreme terms and second and third are known as middle terms. Let us take some examples to understand this concept. Are the ratios 24:48 and 2:4 in proportion? 24:48 is equal to 24 by 48 equal to 1:2. 2:4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1:2. So 24:48 is equal to 2:4. Therefore, the ratios 24:48 and 2:4 are in proportion. Example 2. Are 30, 40, 45 and 60 in proportion? Ratio of 30 to 40 is 30 by 40 is equal to 3:4. Ratio of 45 to 60 is equal to 45 by 60 equal to 3:4. Since 30:40 is equal to 45:60, therefore 30, 40, 45, 60 are in proportion. Example 3. Do the ratios 10 centimeter to 2 meter and 10 second to 2 minute form a proportion? Solution. Ratio of 10 centimeter is to 200 centimeters is equal to 1 is to 20. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Ratio of 10 seconds is to 120 seconds is equal to 1 is to 12. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Since 10 centimeter is to 2 meter is not equal to 10 second is to 2 minutes, therefore the given ratios do not form a proportion. Unitary method. The method in which we first find the value of one unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. Let us take some examples to understand this. Example 1. If the cost of 10 notebooks is rupees 50, what will be the cost of 4 notebooks? Solution. Cost of 10 notebooks is equal to rupees 50. So, cost of 1 notebook is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, the cost of 4 notebooks is equal to 5 into 4 rupees, which is 20 rupees. Example 2. A car travels 72 kilometers in 4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1.5 liter? In 4 liters of petrol, car travels 72 kilometers. So in 1 liter of petrol, it will cover 72 divided by 4, which is 18 kilometers. Therefore, in 1.5 liter, it will cover 18 into 1.5 equal to 27 kilometers.